Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cutting my bangs. As you can tell, I have cut them. This is what they look like. I really like them. I figured I had my hair like this when I was very young. I want to say I started growing my bangs out when I was maybe around 9. Somewhere around that age, but I did have bangs up until that age, and I really liked them, but it was a pain to grow out, so it took me to age 31 now to go back to them, like want to. I've been wanting to do it for a few months now, maybe even a year, but I never could either remember to do it or want to do it, or couldn't find my scissors at the time, or the time to do it. So all of that happened today, and yeah, I saw a photo online, and it was like, oh yeah, I want bangs. I'm gonna do that today. So I'm going to show you a clip of me doing them right quick. All right, everybody, it is time to cut some bangs. So you saw the end result of my, on the intro. So this is how I'm doing it. So hopefully this is not a fail video, because yeah, I've never cut my bangs before. So let me back up. I have a mirror right below the camera. So yeah, this is a very a lot smaller of a mirror than I would like to do this type of video, but hey. So I did watch a couple of just 2 videos of how to cut bangs before this. Look at that, I got dandruff. I just washed my hair yesterday. I should have used my husband's dandruff shampoo. But yeah, all I did was watch 2 videos, and yeah, I'll put those videos in the description box below if you're interested in seeing the videos that inspired me or encouraged me on doing it. I actually have been wanting bangs for a while now. I just never got around to finding the scissors each time I had time to do it. But yeah, so I parted somewhat in the middle. Not really. I don't really part my hair in the middle that much anymore. Pretty much when I grew my bangs out when I was a kid, I started parting my hair to the side. But I'm gonna part it, and then I know you pretty much do like little triangles on the side. And I should have brought my hair clips in here, but let's see if I can do it without the hair clips. Now I'm going to put the rest of my hair in a ponytail. Make sure my bangs are pretty much even on both sides, but I guess I'll put my hair up and then look. All right, that is not even whatsoever, so I'm gonna have to put some from this side back up. That looks even enough to me, so that's what we're gonna go with. I saw a bunch of people do it different ways on this part, so I'm just personally going to, but I do know that by twisting it and pulling down really tight, your hair has some elasticity, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. It kind of stretches, and your forehead like goes down like that. So don't, pull it tight, because it'll make your bangs shorter if you do it that way, and then you won't be happy. But I know I'm gonna cut it longer than what I want at first, because that way I can just cut more instead of cutting it too short at the get-go. cut it right here as a guideline and then see what it looks like. Wow, see how shorter it got? I think I'm happy with that length, so I'm just gonna cut it to there. Kind of wish I would have done it that way at the get-go, but I didn't, so I'm just gonna have to cut it shorter on this side. And after like right now it's not used to going frontwards, so it's already parting, and that's why it kind of looks weirder. But if I flatten it and teach it to go the way I want it to, it should be fine. So what I might do is go wash my hair after this video and kind of blow dry it to make it go the way I want. And yeah, just basically I'm gonna have to teach my hair to go where it needs to go now. And to make it where it won't be as blunt of a cut, I'm now just really not cutting length off. I'm just doing like little triangles, so it's not as structured. It just kind of looks a little bit, I don't know, like grown out and messier, or not as perfect. Okay, and now I'm gonna go and wash my hair and dry it and come right back. All right, now I am done washing and drying my hair. I got a straight iron and I kind of put them down where I was wanting them. But now I feel like, since my face shape is kind of square but also round, I feel like I need a little bit more framing around my face. So now I'm just going to try to frame my face, and I know I want to go like right in front of my ears, like a part like this. And basically I just want to cut from my bangs all the way down to my hair length. Do it that way. So I'm going to start a little bit lower and just kind of cut slowly as I go down. Like so. I feel like that just softens it a little bit. I wish I had a razor and that would do better. I'm gonna do it a little bit more. All right, I think I like that. Now I'm gonna do the other side. This side of my head is a little bit thinner, which I think it's because I created a different part right there here. So I'm just gonna have to make sure it looks somewhat even afterwards. I think I'm happy with that. I'm going to kind of style my hair a little bit. I'm just basically going to run it through my hair and kind of tuck it in and kind of go down with the flat iron real quick. All right, that is it. So the framing around the face just made it a little bit more softer where it wasn't as blunt. And when I did the straighten iron to the bangs, all I did was pretty much get my bangs in kind of almost straight but a slight curve to it like that. So it's not hard at all. But yeah, this is the end look. I hope you enjoyed this look. I'll be right back with you with my intro and outro. All right, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching me and how I created my bangs. Yeah, I really love them. Let me know in the comments below what you think about them. I don't know how long I will keep my bangs. I might grow them out after this month. It's just hair. It grows back. I know I have a little forehead in the first place, and normally bangs are for people with like bigger foreheads. But like I said before, I had them when I was a child and I wanted them back. It did take me over 20 years to want them back. So yeah, I've been wanting them for a while. I don't know, I really like them. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed seeing how I did them. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye.